Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this tripod, and the brand was nice enough to send it over to us for us to check out. Now this, probably the most durable tripod that I have ever reviewed. Of course, I haven't reviewed like anything super expensive, but in regards to just having something nice and being affordable, this seems to be like the one. So go ahead and get it out of its nice little carrying case that it comes with here. We'll throw that to the side and I'll show you all the accessories. You're gonna get like a little thing here, little carabiner type thing right there. I'll go ahead and give you guys a closer look at that. And then gonna have like some little instructions. You're gonna have the nice top that goes to it. Look at that, all types of adjustments on this ball top. Levels galore on there. You're gonna get your phone mount. And then you get a couple little tools here if you need to do any tightening or removing of the legs here. So let's go ahead and I'll back up and show you exactly how big this thing gets. It gets really big. Durable, drop that, it's good to go. So we'll pull this down, lock these legs into place, and I'll show you just how big it is. Pop it up one to lock it right there. All right. And then these legs, they extend and get longer and longer. So there's one extension. And of course you can lock these in between too. You don't have to pull them out all the way. I'll go ahead and get these all pulled out for you. All right, so right there we go. Look at that, really big. There's our little top ball mount. We'll go ahead and place it on here. And it does have the bigger screw on there, so if you do have devices that need that, and then it has your regular size one up here. It has a quick disconnect. I guess not really quick disconnect, it's like a quarter of a turn up here to be able to pop that on and off. Let me get a little bit closer and show you the little dial on here, which is actually really nice. You can dial this in, just twist it, loosen this up, loosen this up, loosen this up, and then this twists so you can get those degrees down to whatever you want. And then with your ball up here, same thing. I think this one here and this one here, and there you go. You can move your ball around. This is for your larger adjustments to your ball, and I think it should still move a bit. And this one is to tighten it up completely. Boom. And then like I said, you do have your levels on here. And then again, this down here will adjust. I'll go ahead and get it to where you guys can see that. Up and down, lock it in place. And if you want to go even higher, you can go even higher. And then these will adjust in a little bit too, even if you want to go higher than that. But yeah, look at how big that is. And let me tell you, this thing is super solid and then super compact. You all saw how small it was. We'll go ahead and put this back down. You can do that really quick and easy. Look at that, really nice. All those accessories, all those adjustments, really sturdy. So if you're looking for a really nice tripod, this is going to be my new main tripod. Go ahead and check this one out.